Burstner Lyseo Gallery. This award-winning RV of the year 2022 may surprise you. This RV has a hideaway second floor with bedroom and workspace. It uses inflatable sidewalls to raise the pop-up roof. In 2021, Burstner, the developer of this motorhome, won a prestigious design and automotive industry award. It wasn't a coincidence either. The Burstner Lyseo Gallery is their latest prototype with the coolest features. The main feature is the patented roof design they call the Gallery. During parking, it can be extended, greatly increasing the living space. The second floor can be used as a living room or take on the function of a compact office. Meanwhile, when the gallery is removed, the motorhome has a streamlined shape, which means it becomes more fuel efficient. The interior of the Burstner Lyseo Gallery is well thought out and packed with lots of details and advanced technologies. Give comfort and a feeling of being home away from home. So, there you have it. Burstner Lyseo Gallery review. If you like the video, please leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.